If you're targeting MBA this year, then watch this video very carefully. It has a very important piece of announcement for all the students. So watch this video completely. If your CAT went very well and you're expecting a B school call, or if you're targeting OMEDs and you want to join any of the B school taking OMEDs code this year, and very importantly, if you are very confident that you want to go for MBA this year only, no matter what your percentile is, but you have to convert your B school this year, then please watch this video very carefully, right? Now, the only thing that we can offer you at this stage is a flagship GDPI program. Okay, do come and experience this flagship GDPI batch of Prepzone, which is starting from today. Okay, in fact, this year we are the first institution in the entire country to have you convert guarantee program, where we sort of are so confident on our entire pedagogy that we will guarantee you that no matter if you follow everything that we give you, if you study every material, if you go through every discussion topics of ours, you will definitely convert your every B school calls. Okay. And this very program, just to give you some insights, this very program fetched a whopping 97% conversion rate with a total of 1762 plus converts. And this is only from a bunch of 190 students, right? Even if I talk about IIM ABC, 57 students out of 59 students convert one of the IIM ABC calls. So that is the program that we guys are offering you. And this batch starts today evening. So hurry up, do not delay. If you or like any of your friends need any help, you can visit our website, www.myprepzone.com. Details are already mentioned on the website, or you can also ping me on my given number, which is 8112269770. This is Shubham Ranka from IIM Calcutta signing off, and I'm looking forward to see and discuss a lot of current affairs topic and personal HR questions from you, okay, in this GDPI batch. Thank you.